Hello, my name is Michał Bazel. I'm the heat treatment technologist in R&D department SECO WARWICK company. Today I would like to show you how it's really fast to implement the low pressure carburizing recipe using this, and using SimVac on the computer. So please come with me and see what's happened. Okay, now I'm sitting in front of my laptop in the office, and I will show you in several steps how to use the SimVac simulator to create the most important parameters for LPC recipe. So first of all is to have a 100% sure that the furnace which will be finally the recipe is the same like in SimVac simulator. So I check it right now, and for my simulation and for my recipe I use furnace name VP446, and the mixture will consist of acetylene, ethylene and hydrogen. Next is to use one of this icon. This is the process wizard. This is the process optimizer. Process wizard is dedicated for most advanced people. The process optimizer is dedicated for the beginner. I will use the process wizard. Okay, next step is to give a name for the process. Next is to choose the temperature, then the data after carburizing, I mean pre-cooling, the ramp of pre-cooling, finally temperature for pre-cooling and soaking time. And another parameters are pair of carburizing and diffusion and their times. Okay, click next, and now I choose a steel. Next is the geometry, cylinder, external surface, a number of radius. The next, and basic information about the charge area. I will use the automatic system or window to calculate my active area. That's the parameters for my example of a single piece, the quantity, and once again material. Okay, summary information about the charge. Okay, next, and simulation is ready to be run. Here we go, the curve of carbon. This looks not perfect, so I decided to do some modification using this icon. Process editor, everything could be or can be modified. So I decided to add extra 2 segments of, or 2 pair for carburizing and diffusion, and I do this. Okay, click this button and do the resimulation. Very well. So now the curve of carbon looks much better. And so the last thing is to save the file which will be implemented to the recipe on the furnace. Okay, so main part of low pressure carburizing process is ready. Now I will implement it into the recipe. So now I'm staying in front of the furnace computer, and I will implement data from SimVac simulator into the recipe. So what I will do, find out the recipe, click edit, and here we have the almost ready low pressure carburizing recipe. Almost ready means that we have pumping, gas heating and particle press heating, the segments for the beginning, and the blower curing, the segments after carburizing. Now I will implement the data from simulator. I click this icon, find out the proper file, click open it, and then choose the right position. Import. Here we go, everything is correct.